What was that?
My stomach.
The girl with the stomach of steel has a tummy ache?
Do not. I'm hungry too.
And walked off. Oh, tea time. Oh, come on, Henry. I promised I'd get you home in time for tea.
And you know what else is a surprise? How way, way, way hungry all that shopping made me. Come on, Kaz. You've got to feed us.
Ooh, wowee. My stomach's growling.
I am.
Oh, me too. I'm starving.
I'm starving more.
Closer. Closer. Oh. Never let me have cookies again!
And today, I'm learning tap dancing. But I'm thinking about lunch.
Okay, Sprig, you got anything to eat?
All this worry is making me sick.
Sure, and I'll try my hardest to share snacks in the future. I do have a bigger tummy, though.
Where did that growly noise come from? Hey, that's your stomach growling.
You know, I don't think I've eaten since the prank war started.
Me neither.
What was that? Well, that was my tummy talking.
And the engine starts itself.
That's just me being hungry. I'm gonna swing by Capes and Cowls. What is it? My stomach's growling, and all we have at home is bread and jam.
Erwin, I don't know what you fed me last night, but whatever it was... It wants out!
Crap, I ran out of food money! Relax, man. I'm not gonna eat your food.
I'm sorry, I'm starving!
Super Kitty calls her for emergencies only. And eating tuna is not an emergency. Though I wish it was.
I also hunger for ramen. Must be lunchtime. But dare I risk breaking my self-imposed imprisonment?
All right, I get the hint.
He had only two loves in his life. His horses and Louise's.
Oh, definitely. No, I'm great.
Professor's chili sure is rumbly in my tumbly.
We're gonna make it in time. I think I can feel the crow pox turning my organs inside out.
Oh, now it's saying something weird is going on over there.
Lucky, I'm conflicted. I can't tell if I'm suffering from abandonment issues or separation anxieties. Or gas.
You sure have a big appetite for such a little kid.
And I'm not going to survive until lunch. Hey! Stop that disrespect! I said it's not until lunch. You know what? Fine, I'll eat.
Here.
My belly still says it's hungry, though.
Well, luckily I thought ahead, Carmen.
What was that? That's just my tummy. Boy, I'm even hungrier now. Cheesecake?
Turned you into a winner! Yeah! Ooh, that was the sound of you digesting about 17 pounds of ground chuck. You scared a yeti!
でも、私ばっかり我慢なんておかしいもん。お腹減った。
My tummy never would make silly sounds like... Never mind. I'm hungry too.
Okay. Gorsh, all that yummy talk got our tummies rumbling.
Oh, all that running around made me hungry.
I'm starving.
I know. I can hear your tummy gurgling. For a second, I thought alien larvae might have hatched in your belly. Hello?
Your table's ready.
Finally.
Holy smokes. We'll be right there. Come on, Daphne, there's trouble.
But
Your tummy's gurgling.
It's my tummy, Tigger. Being this big makes me awfully hungry.
guess my stomach's thinking about other things.
When my stomach growls, my body's telling me I'm hungry.
Skate off. And now I'm getting hungry.
My stomach is talking.
I should have never listened to my dumb gut. Yes, you.
Evie. I know, Evie. Wait a bit. Dinner will be ready soon.
Huh? What was that?
Sorry, it's my tummy growling.
Sounds to me like your tummy's telling us it's lunchtime.
Needs are hard.
Campers, pick a pole.
A hungry Emma is a bad Emma.
I feel strange. Mom, what's the matter? I feel... Oh, I'm hungry.
Uh-oh. Just what we need. Bears.
Bears? We don't get a lot of bears around here.
Yeah, hear that?
That's no bear. That's just my tummy. It gets kind of growly when I'm hungry.
Bring us a bowl of some plain broth.
Oh.
Password accepted.
Bilal, where's lunch? I'm starving.
Whoa, Tummy! Do you want some food? I think she does.
Llevo toda la noche tratando de decir.
If your power goes out, remain calm.
Girlfriend, are you okay?
Yeah, I thought...
Huh? Whoopsie daisy. It's just my belly.
Now, where can I leave this invitation?
Oh, I think I ate a little too much.
Wait a minute, no more!
Well, whatever it is, I'm at it.
What is the matter with you?
It's no big deal. I just...
What is going on?
I just probably really shouldn't have eaten that can.
Ooh, what's going on in there?
Ooh, what is going on in there?
I feel something moving around.
I know, I'm hungry too, stomach.
And a proper lunch. If your falcon does not fetch this bit of beef soon, I fear I may have to eat it myself.
Is that coming from me?
Sure.
Almost perfect.
Am I the only member of this team who thinks world domination is more important than what's for lunch? Now let's focus ourselves on what really matters, and that's how we're going to capture Pikachu! Now my stomach says it's time to eat.
カノンも食べたい？私は別に。
Tummy.
What about it? What's the harm?
Hush.
My tummy's talking.
I'm starved.
Nothing's more embarrassing than a growling tummy.
Sorry about the crumbs. Gotta go.
We're in Pets of Dreamland. Well, then it's time for Chica's steak.
You were okay.
Fred, I'm starving. Can I take 5?
That's what you get when you skip breakfast.
Are glowing as well. As the journey...
Ponyville will be overrun with uneducated little ponies starving for apples.
Ow! Oh, that just made me hungry.
God, Linda, just eat some.
Oh, no.
That's an unexpected reaction. Oh, it's my tummy.
My stomach